Hello everyone, I am Udit Parmar of BTech CSC, batch 2016-2020, Guru Nanak Dev University, Regional Campus, Jalandhar. Talking about this prestigious institute, Guru Nanak Dev University provides the best education along with extracurricular activities. Studying in this distinguished university has highly enhanced my knowledge and has molded me into a better personality. I cannot thank this college enough for everything it has given me. I recount here with gratitude to all the teachers who have believed in me and have supported me throughout. The support has imbibed in me a confidence to touch the skies. I am really thankful to this institution which has allowed me to thrive in an atmosphere full of positivity, and I consider myself lucky to be part of such a reputed institute. So now I would like to share my placement experience with you. I got campus placed in a French multinational corporation, Capgemini. So you will get many opportunities to sit in the campus tribes of many reputed companies. There is standard procedure related to the placement, which starts with an aptitude test and a coding test consisting of MCQs. If cleared, then there will be GD, which is optional, or a direct personal interview. So having talked about the procedure, let's get to how and what should be done to prepare for it. Firstly, get a strong hold on the basic computer subjects like data structures, DBMS, OS, and programming languages like Java, C++. Clear all the fundamental concepts of these subjects and try to solve as many MCQ problems based on these as possible. Build a good profile, make some projects, and write efficient and effective codes using data structures and algorithms. Make sure you are thorough with your project and are able to answer anything related to it. The interviewer usually asks the questions about the things that you have mentioned in your resume, so be as honest as you can be. And apart from these, get a basic knowledge of concepts like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. And you should also be aware of the emerging technologies like blockchain and big data. And now, talking about the day of the interview. On the day of the interview, be confident and don't try to answer the questions that you don't know. Giving a vague answer puts a bad impression on the mind of the interviewer. Overall, the process is easy, and with the right amount of effort, you will be able to make it. Hard work and dedication are the only two keys if you need to succeed. Practice the concepts as much as you can. All the best, guys. Thank you.